Action.
Action.
Okay, Max. Now we know you do shit interviews, but this one's gonna be alright. Okay? We've won the league, how do you feel?
Buzzing.
Do you want the freedom of Kingston?
I've always had the freedom of Kingston.
What do you think of that bird? Oh, okay.
These teams don't even film in my interview. Fucking
Anyway, back to this interview.
Apparently, Butler said he's. A lot of people seen his arse this season. What do you think of Butler's arse?
very hairy.
Butler, you got a hairy arse. Who's the best dancer in the case team?
Me.
NJ Lampton look like.
Me. Like a man.
Anyway, and who is the longest in the shower?
No, longest.
Me.
I mean, no.
Have you seen my bird?
Yeah, we've seen your bird.
Who's got the fittest bird in the case team?
Me.
What about Jackie D? Who's she?
Not for me.
Anyway, Biro. Anyway, we thank you very much, Max Huswick.
No.
Not even a little one?
No.
Biro does.
Fucking hell.
We're going to have a interview with Biro.
She's his age.
Biro, that's Biro's dinner.
Is that calamari?
Right.
No, I like these calamari.
Anyway, have an interview, Phil, with Biro.
She's got the gap.
We've had an interview with Biro already.
Who's got the gap?
She has.
Hello.
Which
Hello.
gap?
Hello.
Hello.
Difference in legs.
Yeah, lovely lady.
Look at the difference in legs. Who's got the gap and who ain't? There you go.
Biro, get in.
There's not a lot of people with that.